A security guard at a local middle school has been charged with child neglect and aggravated abuse. Duval County Schools police arrested Gregory Holmes yesterday following an incident with one of the students. Now, Holmes did appear before a judge this morning, and probable cause was found in this case. Now, his bond has been set at $25,000. The incident actually happened at Highlands Middle School on Tuesday, and school officials say that they requested for him to return to the district's administrative offices to discuss his status where he was arrested, and if he is able to return to work, he will be on administrative leave. Holmes started working with the district in April of last year and resigned for personal reasons in August and was rehired in October. He'll be back in court on March 5th.